He is taking people's money. He may as well walked in my house and walked out with $40,000.
A Dorchester County contractor who didn't show up to finish the job is also a no-show in court again. But some accountability could be coming. The bankruptcy court has ordered the U.S. Marshals Service to apprehend him. Investigative reporter Blair Sable first brought you this story this summer and has continued to follow this story as well. Blair, why has it gotten to this point?
Well, Ralph, this is a really unusual turn of events, especially in bankruptcy court. If you remember, we had trouble contacting Ronald Brent Ergel, and it turns out so did the United States trustee assigned to his case that he voluntarily signed up for. After months of noncompliance, as we've previously reported, the court now believes he's been taking advantage of the system and could possibly be hiding both money and items of value from his creditors.
And if they find that you have committed some kind of fraud and you're continuing to do so by hiding your assets or not cooperating, that's a pretty bad place to be.
In an extraordinary move, a United States bankruptcy court judge has sanctioned accused contractor Ronald Brent Ergel and ordered him to be in civil contempt. He was given one last chance to appear last week and failed to do so.
I would just like to say, Ronnie, we haven't forgot about you.
Ergel, the subject of previous Live 5 investigations, is accused in court filings of taking hundreds of thousands of dollars in deposits from clients for projects that never got built. They claim he often made excuses and became evasive once they started asking questions. Some have even sued, but their cases have been on pause amid the ongoing bankruptcy proceedings. Now the U.S. Marshals have been instructed to find him in order to comply with the court's orders.
When she said detain and bring him in, I was like, yes.
Yeah.
I mean, it's silly, but you know, $30,000 is a lot of money.
Ronald Jones, a bankruptcy law specialist, says in his 35-year career, he's maybe seen the court take these extreme measures once or twice before.
It's very rare that these things happen.
In bankruptcy cases, debtors receive protections, but the court found that Ergel appears to be abusing the process. As for the money he took from customers, the trustee believes that there could be a safe of cash that he never disclosed to the court.
Apparently there are facts here that lead the trustee to believe that there needs to be more of an inquiry.
According to an order from a lower court, Ergel also is in possession of a boat that now belongs to South State Bank because he stopped making his payments, a boat that was never listed as an asset in his bankruptcy case.
Now, we've reached out to Ergel to ask why he hasn't shown up to court or complied with the process at all. We have not heard back. And if it is found that he has committed some sort of bankruptcy fraud, he could face criminal charges. Blair Sable, Live 5 News.